In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export coordinates from AutoCAD to Excel. We'll use AutoCAD's built-in data extraction tool to pull X, Y, and Z coordinates from your drawing and send them straight into an Excel file. This is perfect for surveying, point lists, or any workflow where you need precise coordinate data outside of AutoCAD. Start in your drawing and type data extraction into the command line, then press Enter. This opens the data extraction wizard, which guides you through the process. When prompted, choose to create a new data extraction and click Next. AutoCAD will ask where to save the extraction definition. Pick a folder you can easily find later, give the file a clear name, and click Save. This file can be reused, so naming it well helps you repeat the process without setting everything up from scratch. Next, choose Select Objects in the current drawing. Click the small selection icon next to it to return to your drawing and select the objects you want to pull coordinates from. You can select individual points, blocks, or other geometry as needed. When you've made your selection, press Enter to return to the wizard, then click Next. Now you'll choose exactly which objects within that selection should be included. Review the list and confirm you're capturing the items you care about, then click Next. On the Properties screen, check the boxes for the information you want in your output. Be sure to include the X, Y, and Z properties so your coordinates are exported. These are usually listed under Geometry or Position properties. If you don't need extra fields, feel free to uncheck them to keep your table clean and focused. Click. Next, to preview the table. Here, you can see how the data will be laid out. You can sort the columns and arrange the order to match your preferred Excel layout. Take a moment to confirm the values look correct and that the coordinate columns are present. For the output, select Output Data to External File. Then choose the Excel file format that works for you. Pick a location and file name you'll remember. When everything looks good, click Finish. Open the generated file in Excel and you'll see your extracted data with the X, Y, and Z coordinates ready to use. From here, you can format columns, apply filters, or share the file as needed, and that's it. You've successfully exported coordinates from AutoCAD to Excel using the data extraction wizard. Save your extraction definition for next time, keep units consistent across your project, and you'll have a fast, repeatable workflow.